Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. We're seeing equities pull back from that early morning high. Really, there's not a ton of substance, really, or no substance at all with the U.S. and China trade talks. They did release a statement. This has been our rhetoric here for the last 24 hours. We need to see substance here in order for the market to continue at this pace. But we do have tomorrow and Thursday a lot of Fed speak, and that's going to keep the markets on a little jittery until we know what we hear from the minutes, Chicago Fed President Evans, and then on Thursday we have Powell, Evans, and Clarida. So there's a lot to come out, and you're seeing a little bit of profit taking again after no substance in the U.S. and China trade talks. JOLTS job openings came in lower than expected. So could show that job market is tightening a bit as well. The S&P, it's hitting some support here. This is an area that we talked about buying in the Morning Express. If you gave it a shot, you had an opportunity to make some quick profits on it, but it's dissipated back here. We don't like to see a second test to this support level. Listen, if you're bullish, this is where you want to be buying, but if you're trading this, you don't really want to be looking to buy the second test here. Trump speaks tonight. He's going to be upbeat on China, on that jobs report, but see where this market finishes on the day, and if it does finish strong, we could see some momentum coming out of that. Now, crude oil can't get above $50, and crude has been a driving force in this equity market. The recovery in crude is working with the recovery in equities, but crude can't get above $50. Now, we've had this rhetoric as well that you're not going to see crude break out above here until you get drawdowns in the inventories. Today's API after the bell, official EIA data tomorrow. They are looking for a draw on crude, but a much bigger build in the products. Yesterday, Saudi Arabia said they will cut exports by 800,000 barrels per day from that November number. Now, the U.S. does get a good chunk of those exports. That could start to weigh and trickle into that inventory data and start drawing some of these inventories down through this month, but it's not going to happen right away. So keep all that in the picture. And then lastly, the U.S. dollar index is finding good support near 95. Now it's starting to bounce a little on the day. What does that do? It puts a little pressure on gold. Gold's holding around 1280. That's our first key support level. But we have major 3-star support where we want to be patient for, looking for that test down to that major 3-star level to the Morning Express. Give us a call if you have any questions. Lastly, though, touch on with gold pulling back, the treasuries are pulling back, and the treasuries are getting closer to where we have a big key support level in the 10-year and the 30-year. So again, call us with any questions. We're here to help with the strategy, how to attack these markets, anything on the board, 312-278-0500. You can email us info@bluelinefutures.com. You can check our website for updates, and you can sign up for a free trial of our research there. But remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Thank you.